So Mongo buy this. Mongo get that, you get it like Tractor Supply, farm store, family farm and home, place like that. This one on sale. So Mongo build. Their tarp. Big tarp. That must be door. Bunch of pipe. Bag of screw. Must be instruction. Ratchet. Look like foot pegs maybe. Cross support. More ratchet. Braces. End brace. Box in box. It makes sense, put box in box. Anchors. More braced. Lots of pipe. So, Mongo get organized. Mongo build. You follow along. Mongo look at instruction. Lots of parts. So Mongo go through, make sure he have all parts. And then lots of numbers. Everything got number. So Mongo figure out which one which and put special name. He put name on all the parts. Something make more sense to Mongo. Then Mongo make a bunch of sub-assemblies. Easier put together sub-assemblies than try to fight one at a time. So Mongo make all sub-assemblies. Separate bolts and baggies. They're 3 different length bolts. Very close to each other. So be careful when sorting bolts. They're very similar size. Don't put wrong bolt in wrong spot. Kit come with 1 extra bolt of each length. It come with 5 extra nuts. It didn't come with any extra washers. But it did come with this. Not sure what this is. Mongo think this let you know quality control very good. So that good. Not sure why you lose parts anyway, but it come with a couple extra. Kit come with 4 anchor. And it said it come with 4 to help with install. Just basic. But they recommend 1 anchor per leg. So that means they need you or want you to buy, at least for this one, 6 extra leg. So 6 extra anchor. So that's funny. Not sure if they recommend that. Why not include? But so we got 4. They recommend 1 per leg. Good to know. Mongo find other funny thing in instruction. So when you look at this picture, it show that this upright portion of foot peg it angle away from two flats and towards single. But on foot, it show other way. It show that it angle towards two hole and away from single. So that picture backwards. Other thing, the hole in the upright, much larger than post on foot. So they pretty wiggly. Not sure if it's supposed to be that way, but it's funny. It is what it is, so we use that. Mongo find other funny thing. So all these bolts, carriage bolts, so they have little square end up there. But all these holes in pipe, they all circle. So not sure point of carriage bolt. Makes sense that, that side, that's where canvas go. That way canvas don't rub and rip through. So that makes sense, but no square hole. Some parts have square hole, like these things. So that way when they go in, the square hole lock against carriage bolt so it don't spin. That makes sense. Mongo just find funny all these circle holes for carriage bolt. Lots of these pipes have little burrs in there. Right there. Lots of them. This sometimes make hard to push other pipe through there. So sometimes they go, other times you need to take file. Like this one. This one need file down. So other tubes slide in good. So just keep eye. Make sure don't cut finger. That might hurt. Mongo mark out with stick. Where put auger. Then just push down and spin. Try go straight. Mongo apologized. Didn't take as many videos of process as should have. It was kind of pain in butt to assemble by self. So Mongo get some help. Couple things to note. These ends, like the door and the backside, kind of goofy put on. Of course, it's windy day today. That probably didn't help. But it did help to square anchors first, then put canopy in place. Well, the frame anyways. That helped a lot. So everything's still loose. Still lots of play. Mongo didn't tighten because wasn't sure how much wiggle room would be needed, so. But for most part, instructions go pretty good. Yeah, instructions pretty good. Could be better, but everything's still loose. These you kind of feed in, then finger tighten on here. But it helped for everything to be loose so you could make adjustments as you go. So it helped. But this is supposed to be just temporary. So not supposed to be permanent structure. So just temporary. Seemed good for temporary. So right now, Mongo goes through. Mongo will tighten. He will tighten all these bolts. Probably start at A-frame supports, tighten those, then tighten roof, work down, make sure it's square. But for most part, it's good. These doors and ends, be sure get the ratchet strap fabric on inside, and then it wrap around outer frame. Still need tighten. It come with ratchet straps to, see, they still loose, need to tighten, but they come with ratchet straps to go in these holes and straighten out. And then outside fabric, it go all the way around and then come around frames. And then these get tightened too. So, first Mongo tighten up all the frame. And then we'll tighten the ratchet straps. But it's good. Will allow more space for temporary storage, so Mongo can do car projects. Mongo still have all spare parts. All spare parts and quality control device. So that's good sign. We no lose parts. Tightening bolts. That stiffen up frame a lot. It's good. Yeah, it's good to tighten. Some parts still seem kind of loose, but everything tight. Frame stiffen up real good. One thing note, don't tighten ratchet straps too much. They'll tear right through the tarp. So just keep that in mind. Don't go too tight on ratchets. Barn kit only come with basic stuff. So, like this door, it have spot to slide in like broom handle or something, but didn't come with nothing. So, Mongo finds some PVC basically. So PVC slide in there. And then this way it give it a little more tension on door. But also helps so when you unzip, you can roll up real nice and easy. So kit doesn't come with, but PVC or broom handle work good. Hopefully this video help you if you decide to buy and assemble. Hopefully it helped. Be sure like if you like this video. Be sure subscribe if you like this video and other videos. More projects coming. Mongo, thank you.